I also lose a lot of money, friendships. I feel very lost, but in the end, I want to stand up. So everything is going well. Now this one is my third. I've been working in Singapore more than 23 years. Since 2000, I'm a Malaysian, but now I'm a PR. And then I find an opportunity. Why don't I try myself to become a boss? It's a great opportunity. We are going to highly recommend our Ribeye Steak with the Foei Gras. Come with a truffle mash also, and our very refreshing salad, our garden salad with sweet and sour dressing.